DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's really good? It's your boy Delz. We got a brand new pickup. I'm about to show you and give you a detailed out-of-the-box look. If you didn't see the videos on these right here, make sure to watch. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, of course. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on content. If you are a subscriber and you didn't see any of these reviews, make sure you bang that notification bell. YouTube doesn't like to let everyone know, as far as my subscribers, when I get a new video up. Now, bang! Look what we got there. We've got the Stitch Valentine Funko Pop. Awesome to buy as a gift. I got two of them for both of my daughters. They're gonna love this. And it is available now. I will link this in the description box below, along with a bunch of these other Funko Pops you see here and more. That's available for ordering now and pre-ordering now. So check the description box. It's for your convenience. Now, let's take Stitch out of the box. And there he is out of the box. Awesome, awesome pop. Says, be mine. And once again, perfect to give to someone as a gift. You still have time to lock it in and hopefully get it on time to give to your loved one. So definitely I suggest, once again, link will be in the description box below if you're looking for them. And if for some reason it doesn't take you exactly to the product, just search Stitch Valentine and I'm sure it'll come right up. Unless it's sold out, so don't sleep. There's a link in his back. Let me know what you think of the pop though. Leave that in the comment box below. There we go with a close-up HD look. If you enjoyed it, let me know what Funko Pops you have picked up lately or what you're looking to pick up. Maybe I can help you out. Maybe someone else can help you out. If you love podcasts, check out mine over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. Definitely check out that. And I have my t-shirts available now. Link will be in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in. Much love out there. Oh, and a bunch of pops just dropped, but they're in some protectors, so we're good. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. And if you have nothing to write in the comments, make sure to write something. Write I love Funko. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We out. Bam.